Hello, in this video training, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build your own peer-to-peer crypto exchange website, just like Binance. On this website, users will come and buy or sell cryptocurrency on your platform. Let's take a look at a demo of our website. After that, I'll show you how you, the website owner or admin, can earn money running this platform. Welcome to a full demo or demonstration of our website. In this part, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about your website from front end to back end. This is our front end of our website, and on top we have a navigation with logo. I'll be showing you how you can replace this logo. We have a button you click to go back to home and a buy button. Those who want to buy cryptocurrency will hover on this button and pick one of these. I'll show you how you can add multiple cryptocurrencies on your website. From there, we have another button called sell. Those who are looking to sell cryptocurrency can hover on this, and then you'll see some buttons here. From there, we have contact form. Your users can get to you or contact you via this contact form. They can also hover on this, register an account or log into their account by clicking on this user profile. Beneath, we have our hero area, and this contains our text here with some buttons and our listed crypto or coins. From there, we have a filter. Those who want to buy cryptocurrency will click on this button, enter an amount, so let's say $100. From there, they'll pick a gateway, something like PayPal, choose their currency, location. You can also pick all. After that, we click on filter, and the system is going to give us our requested search. So let's wait for the site, and right now this is our output. Okay, PayPal as payment option, which is here, and everything is in USD. The same method applies to those looking to sell cryptocurrency to other users on your website. We just look at the buy option. Let's click on sell. So let's say I have some coins that I want to sell out. I'll click on sell, and then I'll enter an amount. All right, payment gateway, the currency I want to take, and then all locations. After that, I'll click on filter and wait, and all these people are buyers looking to buy cryptocurrency because I'm selling. To pick a buyer that meets your requirement, just scroll. You can click on this load more to see all the sellers or buyers on the site, and they're all here. Pick the one you want, and because we are selling, we're looking for buyers. All right, so click here, make sure you pick sell. Maybe it's you are selling Bitcoin, your payment gateway is PayPal, the limits, the offer, location, then USD. Click on search, and all these people are buyers. Okay, now let's say this is the user that meets your requirements. Just click on sell, log in, and you'll be able to interact with this user and transact business. Just click on home, and the site will take you back to your home page, just like this. Scroll down, and we have this part of our web page. Register, verify your identity, and bind your card. You can edit this text to your likings. How our peer-to-peer system works is here. Place an order, pay the seller, and get your crypto, and that's the buy. Right, we also have sell. Click on it, and I'll show you how you can change all these things later down the line. You can change this text, and these are your features, your frequently asked questions. I'll show you how you can edit your FAQ. and then contact form. Click here and it'll take you to a contact form where you can interact, or where users can interact with you. We have your logo here again, and I'll be showing you how you can update your website logo. Quick links, your legal pages, buy assets and sell assets, your newsletter, and then your social icons. Not forgetting of your company name and copyright text. A button they can click and it'll take them back to top. And that was just a quick rundown of our website. The things you need to know about your front page. It's then time I show you how your user's dashboard is going to look like. From there, we're going to look at how your dashboard, site admin's dashboard, or the website owner's dashboard will also look like. So if you are ready, let's log into this site as a regular user, and then I'll show you how that dashboard will also look like. To log into your site, you first of all need an account, or you must have an account as a user before you can log into the site. So to register an account, you just hover here, click on register. Enter your username, your email, your country, and your country will automatically detect it. All right, your phone, password. After that, you accept that you're not a robot and click on register now. Make sure you have a strong verification system on your site to avoid fraud or fraudulent transactions. Scammers can come to your website, pick people money, run away, and give your site bad reputation. All right, bad image. So I'll be showing you down the line how you can also create strong verification system. That way users will be asked to upload their ID cards or any method of verification, very strong one, on your site, and that's the only way they'll be allowed to use your platform. So after registering an account, you'll click on login, and it will take us to a login form where you can enter our username or email and password. After that, we accept that we are not robots, and we click on login to get access to our users dashboard. So let me do that quickly and get access to our dashboard, and from there I'll show you everything you need to know about your dashboard. Welcome to your users dashboard. This is how your users dashboard is going to look like. On top, you can see their profile picture, their names and email, username and security, the last login, and their dashboard. They also have a referral link here. They can refer other users to your site, and I'll show you how you can enable referral system or a reward system on your site. That way your site will start getting a lot of users, and once your users refer other members, you reward them. That's called referral or a referral system. Okay, so you can click on it, promote your site for you. All right, one thing I like about this site is that your site will come with wallets. All right, so let's hover on wallet and click on all, and they're going to have crypto wallets, and I'll be showing you how you can enable this feature. Right now, this is Bitcoin Cash, and this is a wallet for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin BTC is here, so your users will simply copy this and give to sellers, all right, and give to other users to make payment. All right, so they're going to have their own wallets like this on your site through an API, and I'll show you how you can do that in this single video. On top are their wallets with some balance inside. All right, so let's click on this user and then click on dashboard again, and we're back to our dashboard. Scroll and you can see your coins and your balance here. Scroll, you can see your latest adverts or advertisement here. You can list your offers by clicking on advertisement and list your offers on this website. Okay, so to add an offer, just click on add and then pick I want to sell. So if you're selling, click on I want to sell and then pick an asset and then the currency you are selling, USD and click on next. Pick a payment gateway, profit margin, payment window, margin rate, minimum limits and maximum limits, all those things, payment details, and make sure your users use your escrow system. What do I mean by escrow system? This is inbuilt payment methods, something like their wallets. Make sure they use their wallets. That way, anytime there's funds coming in, okay, let's say they want to buy funds, want to buy coins, they'll receive it via your system. That way, it will prevent scam on your side. So encourage them to use their wallets or wallet address. But because this user wants to sell, okay, this ad is about selling, we're going to sell it out. They can enter their PayPal email here or whatever payment method they want to receive this money, because right now this user has money or has the coins in their wallets inside of your your website. All right, so they have it inside your website, inside of their accounts. So they enter their PayPal email here or their Momo number or their Skrill details or banking information here. That way, those who want to buy, because this is a sell offer, those who want to buy can make payment to those information. All right, that's why I say you make sure you have a strong KYC, know your clients verification, make sure they verify their accounts so that you avoid or you minimize fraud on your side. So after that, they'll click on next, and that's all. They'll set their trade rules, okay, and this is where you tell them to make payment directly to this PayPal email or whatever rules they want to set. They can do that there. Okay, so I hope my explanation is very simple. Hey, I'll leave a video in the description, okay, and that video is from Binance. They'll explain to you what peer-to-peer website is, okay, so you have a better understanding of this form of website. So this is just like a middleman. You are serving as a middleman for sellers and buyers to transact business. Remember to watch that video right now before continuing this video if you are not clear with this website format. Okay, so that's peer-to-peer website. You're watching this video because you already have fair knowledge. All right, so that's it. I assume you already have fair knowledge on peer-to-peer websites, how peer-to-peer websites work. By the way, the video is in the description. Okay, in the course of this training, I will show you how you, the website owner, can earn money through your platform. We are building this because we want to earn money with it. Okay, we're not building this for fun. So there are several ways of earning money on this platform, and I'll be showing you that in a moment. But for now, let me take you through the demos. After that, I'll show you how you can earn money as the website owner. Having said that, let's go back, and I want to buy. So you can click on I want to buy offer. I want to buy. This I want to sell, and this I want to buy. Pick an asset. In which currency do you want to buy? Maybe USD. Click on next, and you can list this offer on the site. All right, so we're going to create an offer. That way users, those who want to sell, can contact you because you said you want to buy, and it's the same format. Okay, on top here your users can see their completed trades and running trades. Let's click on completed trades, and this is going to show a history of their past trades. This user, you sold this coin to this user, and the payment methods was this currency, Indian rupee. The rates and your users will be setting their own rates. All right, and then it was completed or cancelled. On top, they can see they are running trades, and all these things are running trades. You can see the escrow system. Let's take a look at how your users are going to withdraw their cryptocurrency from your platform. Hover on wallets and click on all wallets, and they can see their wallets and their balance here. Let's pick, okay, this has a negative balance, so let's just pick USDT. We'll pick that, and they can generate new USDT address. This is an API. Okay, it's possible to an API, and I'll be showing you how you can enable that, but for now I'm only showing you a demo. So every deposit, there's going to be a charge plus 1% charge. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can put charges, or how you can set charges on your site, and this is one of the several ways of earning money on your website: deposit charge and withdrawal charge. So click on withdraw USDT, and our users will be able to withdraw, and this is a withdrawal charge. They can enter their withdrawal wallet here to send this money out. So they enter their wallet, and then there's going to be a charge here. Enter an amount, and then click on request withdrawal. All right, and beneath they can see their previous USDT withdrawals like this. And you, the website owner, is going to be charging them for these withdrawals and for running trades on your site. Don't worry, I'll also be showing you other ways you can earn money through this platform. Let's take a look at how users will buy cryptocurrency or coins on your site. You hover on buy, pick their coin, let's say BTC. And because it's a buy, we're going to see sellers, and all these are sellers who wish to sell their coins. You can click on load more to see all your sellers. On top, they can also use this filter. How much do you want to buy? Your payment gateway, location, and filter. But let me just scroll down and pick PayPal. Okay, so it's here, and this is BTC. So I'll scroll, send this to the right, send it back, and I'm going to click on buy BTC, and this is a trade, new trade request. So I'm going to buy BTC using PayPal with euro. All right, and this is the person's rate. Okay, this is the person's rate. Payment gateway, this is the user or the seller. Trade limits, so you can only buy from this to 224 euros. Payment window, it shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to make the payment, and average speed is 3 minutes. So how much you wish to buy? So I'll pay, let's say I want to 100, and I'll receive this Bitcoin, but this is not realistic, all right, because of the rate here. So the rate is determined by the seller or your users. They determine their own rates, right? That's why I say you should watch the video in the description from Binance. They'll explain everything for you to understand, okay, how peer-to-peer works. So everything is determined by your users, okay? They will set their own rates. So I'll enter how much I want to pay, and then how much I'll receive in BTC, and then I'll write something here, some information, and then click on send request. After that, I'll interact with this seller and transact business. Hey guys, this part of the training will now show you how you can access your administrative area. That's your control panel, where you'll be managing your website owner's dashboard. So I'm going to take you there. first we're going to access that dashboard, and from there I'll show you what is inside that dashboard and where to find what. So in front of your website URL, just put admin, and hit enter. And it's going to take me to my administrative area because I logged in already. That's why it's taking me here. But first, it's going to ask you to enter your administrative email or username and password before you can get access to this part. So this is your main dashboard, and this shows your general statistics of your website, what is going on your website. This is where you see all your numbers. So users, you can find them here, total number of users. And right now this website has 3,563 users online. We have some active users here. All right, so beneath we also have email unverified users, mobile unverified users, approved withdrawal, pending withdrawals, rejected withdrawals, and total withdrawals. You can see deposit summaries beneath here. All right, and beneath you can see total advertisements and total trades on your site, total fiat currency, and total cryptocurrency. I'll be showing you how you can list your cryptocurrency on your website. Beneath we have total withdrawal history here and some graphs, right, or some charts here. To your left hand side there's a panel, and beneath our dashboard we have manage users. When you click on that drop down, you can see your active users. You can go inside there to delete user, approve user, log in as a ghost user, and what have you. You can click on details to see more details about this user. And this is our users details: total advertisement, total deposits, total withdrawals, their wallets here. Beneath we have some actions. You can add balance, or you can see your users balance here by clicking on balance, and this add balance and deduct balance. You can see their login sections or sessions here. Notifications, you can log in as this user. You can also ban this user permanently on your website. You can update this user details. You can check their address here and see if they have verified their KYC. You can enable two-factor authentication for them, mobile verification and email verification. After that, you click on submit, and that's how your users details is going to look like. We have banned users. This is where you see your banned users. So after banning this user, it's going to fall under banned users. You can go back to unban this user. This is where you manage your KYC unverified. Those who requested for KYC verification can be found here, KYC pending. And this way you see their KYC details by clicking on KYC data, and you can see their details, and you decide whether to approve their details or reject their details. So right now this KYC data not found, okay, so you can reject it. But those who have uploaded the right information, make sure you approve it. Okay, all right. So from there you can see all users. We have notification to all users. You can blast an email or a bulk email to all your users or selected users or KYC unverified users or empty balance users. So you can pick that category on top here and then send customized email to these users. So something like unverified KYC users, say please verify your account by uploading your KYC details. Okay, so you send that specific email to these users. So you enter that message, the subject, and then your per badge here. So how many users, you can enter that here, and then cooling period. So this is a waiting period, maybe every 20 seconds. This, let me show you. Okay, so let's see, 100 users will receive that mail within 30 seconds. Okay, all right, so this is a cooling period. After 30 seconds, every 30 seconds, 100 users will receive that mail. Okay, so that's what we call cooling period. And then you click on submit, and this email will be sent to those users. Okay, so next up, let's collapse that, and then we look at manage ads. This way you can manage your adverts on your site. You can set limits, but we're not going to set limits. Okay, so just leave it. And then we have advertisements, and this is where you see all your adverts on your website, whether it's a buy or a sell. From there, we have manage trades. These are your running, your reported, completed, and all trades. We have cryptocurrencies, and this is where we're going to be adding our own currency, something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, UT, whatever here, USDT, and what have you. This is where you add them, and I will show you how you can add them manually by clicking on add new. Okay, so that will be done after we set up our website. After we launch our site, I'll show you how you can add these currencies on your platform. And we have your fiat currency. These are your USD, the Nigerian Naira, the Ghana cedis, the Euro, and what have you. This is where you set those things. All right, and then we have your gateway. I also will show you how you can set up manual gateways here. After that, we have payment window. We're also going to set up payment windows, 1 minute, 30 minutes, what have you. That way users will be asked to pick a payment window when buying cryptocurrency on your site. Very, very important. We also have deposits. This is where you see all deposits that are happening on your website. Okay, and then we have withdrawal, pending withdrawal, approved withdrawal, rejected withdrawal, and all withdrawals. Let's collapse that, and we'll also take a look at our support tickets. Those of your users who have questions or want to ask you questions can open a support ticket, and then this is where you respond to your tickets, pending tickets. And then you can see this ticket, and then let's open this ticket, scroll, and you see buyer is holding my Bitcoin after payment and don't want to release Bitcoin. Okay, so this is where you respond to these people. Okay, and let's scroll down again, see your close tickets. You can close a ticket, answer tickets, and then all tickets. You can blast an email or a bulk email to all your users or selected users or KYC unverified users or empty balance users. So you can pick that category on top here and then send customized email to these users. So something like unverified KYC users, say please verify your account by uploading your KYC details. Okay, so you send that specific email to these users. So you enter that message, the subject, and then your per badge here. So how many users? You can enter that here, and then cooling period. So this is a waiting period. Maybe every 20 seconds. This, let me show you. Okay, so let's see, 100 users will receive that mail within 30 seconds. Okay, all right, so this is a cooling period. After 30 seconds, every 30 seconds, 100 users will receive that mail. Okay, so that's what we call cooling period. And then you click on submit, and this email will be sent to those users. Okay, so next up, let's collapse that, and then we look at manage ads. This way you can manage your adverts on your site. You can set limits, but we're not going to set limits. Okay, so just leave it. And then we have advertisements, and this is where you see all your adverts on your website, whether it's a buy or a sell. From there, we have manage trades. These are your running, your reported, completed, and all trades. We have cryptocurrencies, and this is where we're going to be adding our own currency, something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, UT, whatever here, USDT, and what have you. This is where you add them, and I will show you how you can add them manually by click on add new. Okay, so that will be done after we set up our website. After we launch our site, I'll show you how you can add these currencies on your platform. And we have your fiat currency. These are your USD, the Nigerian Naira, the Ghana cedis, the Euro, and what have you. This is where you set those things. All right, and then we have your gateway. I also will show you how you can set up manual gateways here. After that, we have payment window. We're also going to set up payment windows, 1 minute, 30 minutes, what have you. That way users will be asked to pick a payment window when buying cryptocurrency on your site. Very, very important. We also have deposits. This is where you see all deposits that are happening on your website. Okay, and then we have withdrawal, pending withdrawal, approved withdrawal, rejected withdrawal, and all withdrawals. Let's collapse that, and we'll also take a look at our support tickets. Those of your users who have questions or want to ask you questions can open a support ticket, and then this is where you respond to your tickets, pending tickets, and then you can see this ticket. And then let's open this ticket, scroll, and you see buyer is holding my Bitcoin after payment and don't want to release Bitcoin. Okay, so this is where you respond to these people. Okay, and let's scroll down again, see your close tickets. You can close a ticket, answer tickets, and then all tickets. We have looked at that option. Let's now take a look at other options, which is report. Okay, so you can see our transaction log, login history, and then notification history. Everything can be found here. Transactions logs, login history, and notification history. Subscribers, those who subscribe to your newsletter, can be found here. We have general settings of your website. We have general, system settings or system configuration, cron jobs. Very important. I'll show you how you can set up cron jobs on your site. Okay, and this is used for sending automated emails and completing automated tasks on your site. This is the API area, and we're going to be connecting some API, or we're going to be registering an account with API provider, okay, that will help us generate crypto wallets automated. All right, just stick around and see how I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. From there, we have referral settings. This is where you set up your referral system. Logo, you can change the logo of your website here, and favicon, which is this logo here. All right, you can change that here. Extensions, for now, forget about it. All right, this way you set up I'm not a robot recapture, your talk to, that's your live chat system, and what have you. Language, search engine optimization manager. This is for search engine purposes. I'll show you how you can replace this image, all right, by clicking on upload image, and we're going to design an image which is like this size, and then we'll upload that here to replace this dummy image. It's very important because your users are going to be sharing your website on platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, or whichever social networks we have out there. Now, anytime they share it, this image is going to pop up. It's not good. We want to create our own banner. It's called a banner, and then we'll upload that here. That way, anytime they share our website or they share a link of our website somewhere, that banner will be popped up, and then we'll edit this text. And then it's good for Google. Okay, Google wants to find some data about your site before indexing. From there, we have your KYC. This way, we're going to be managing our KYC. Okay, notification area. This is for emails. I will show you how you can set up SMTP. Without these settings, your website will not send emails. Okay, and it's important. We have to set up SMTP. If not, your site will not send out emails. From there, let's look at your front-end manager, and we're going to be customizing our website using a front-end manager. So when we click on manage section, there's a drop down there. You can see open account section, advertisements page, your banner page, buy section, contact form. All these things are the things we're going to be using to customize our homepage. We want to make our website look unique. Because of that, we're going to be using that front-end manager here, and I'll show you how to do that. Scroll down and we have extras. If you want to put your website under a maintenance mode, you can do that here, and for the rest, just forget about them. So that's just a quick rundown on your dashboard, the things you need to know about your dashboard, where to find what. I'll be showing you in a moment how you can get a website up and running online. After that, we're going to upload our site files and then do our general configurations to have our own crypto peer-to-peer exchange on the internet. So if you are pumped up, let's see the things we need to get a website live on the internet. Okay, so before you build any kind of website, it doesn't matter the kind of website you want to build, be it a business website, a blogging website, a shopping website, or any generic website. There are two things you need to get started, and that is a domain name and web hosting. If this is your first time hearing these terms, don't worry, let me explain. So when we talk of your hosting account, is a supercomputer, also known as a web server, that keeps your website live on the internet 24/7. They are the same computers that keep Google live on the internet and Facebook live on the internet. Just think of any website on this planet. They are the things that are keeping our websites on the internet 24/7. So the speed and performance of your website mainly depends on your hosting provider. The next thing we will need to build our website is domain name. Domain name is nothing but the address of your website. Google.com is a domain name. Pixabay.com is a domain name. Hoodly.com is a domain name. Canva.com is a domain name. It is the name people are going to use to always remember your website, and then anytime they want to come to your website, they type it on the web browser, the search box, and then hit enter and land on your website. You know, as human beings, we all have names. I'm called Solomon. You also have your name. It's your identity. Okay, so that's a domain name. With that being said, let's go ahead and purchase our domain name and web hosting from this hosting provider called makigohost.com. In the description of this video, you see a link which is get 50% off. Okay, click on that link, and that's an affiliate link. After you click on it, it will take you to a page just like this. Please, on top, hover on it and then click on shared hosting. You'll be brought to this page. Please go ahead and read what is here. Scroll down to their hosting packages. Makigo Host has 3 basic plans: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. But because we are getting started, let's choose their basic plan. Okay, now let me explain to you the features that come with the basic plan. With the basic plan, you can only host one website. You get 20 gigabyte SSD storage. Makigo Host is offering SSD and not HDD. Let me explain to you the difference. Now let's go to Google and then make a quick Google search on SSD versus HDD. Hit enter. Please click on images. please click on this image. Now let's compare the two. When it comes to speed, SSD is faster than HDD. You can make most Google search on these storage technologies, okay, SSD versus HDD. So looking at it, SSD is better than HDD. All right, so let's go back there, and then they have unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP account. You'll be able to set up 10 business emails. Having a website online, you need a business email. Every new client gets a free .com domain name for 1 year, and the renewal price is the same, and then 24/7 technical support, uptime guarantee 99.9. The longer you go, the bigger you save. Okay, so let's go ahead and then purchase the Go Basic plan from makigohost.com. Click on Other Hosting. You will be redirected to a domains registration page. This is where we're going to register our domain name. Please go ahead and enter your domain name here. If you already have a domain name somewhere and you want to transfer it over to Makigo Host, this is where you choose here, and then you enter your domain name and click on transfer. If you have an existing domain name somewhere, this is where you choose, and then you put your domain name here and then click on use. In this case, I'm going to register a new domain name, so I'll go with the first one and then I'll enter my domain name here. So I'll just put a testing domain name here, and let's see. So this is my domain name, solo test, and then I pick my TLD, which is .com, .net, .org. This is where you pick your TLD. So if you want a .com domain name, please pick the first one. If you want .net, .org, in that order. I want to go with the .com domain name, so I'll leave it as default, and then I'll click on check. Now I'm going to check whether this domain name is available, and if it's available, it will tell us the domain name is available. And unfortunately, solomontest.com is not available because someone registered it and is in use. Example is, if I type google.com here, I'll not be able to register this domain name because it is already owned by Google. And you can see google.com is unavailable. So what you have to do is to get creative and then come up with your own unique address. So I'll simply remove it and I'll put solotutorials.com and then click on check to see whether this domain name is still available or it has been taken. And congratulations, solomontutorials.com is available, and that means I can claim ownership of this domain name. So what we need to do after we get this congratulations message is we'll simply click on continue. And right now .com domain name is free on Makigo Host for 1 year, so you simply click on to continue. And you'll be redirected to this page. This is where you choose your billing cycle, whether you want to go with them monthly, yearly, quarterly. Okay, so this is where you choose that. I want to go with them yearly, like this, and then you go down and there are some add-ons you can add to your cart if only you find them necessary. Okay, SEO. But For tutorial purpose, I'm going to leave everything as it is, and then I'll click on continue. You will be taken to a domains configuration page, and this is where you choose DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. Please, if you have the cash, go ahead and pick ID protection, because it's going to protect your own identity on the internet. So you can pick that, but for now I don't have cash, so I'll untick it and then come down and click on continue. If you have reached to this part, congrats, because we are almost done. So this review and checkout page, you review your cart, the items that are in your cart or your basket, and then you can see everything is looking good, and our domain name is free here. Okay, so we are only paying for the hosting, which is $299 every month. Multiply by 12 months, you get this amount, that's annually. And then we scroll down and we have our add-ons here. If you want, you can add any of these to your cart, but for tutorial purposes I'm not going to do that. Now in the description of this video you see a coupon code TUP50, so go ahead and type TUP50 and you're going to get 50% off. This is a special deal for you. Okay, I've partnered with Makigo Host to give you 50% off. So just click on validate code. Congratulations, the promotion code is accepted. Now you're going to pay almost $18 today, and then you renew it as normal, which is going to be $48, because by then your domain name would be expired. Okay, so we click on checkout to make our purchase. Okay, to make payment. After you click on checkout, you're taken to this checkout page, and this is where you enter your personal data, your first name, last name, your email, your phone number, your password. Okay, and Makigo Host uses what we call password generator in order to get a secured password. That way it will be very difficult for hackers to compromise your account. You can increase the length of your password by putting something like 20 here, so that your password will be a little bit longer. Okay, and then you click on generate new password. You can see it has increased in what number. Then you click on copy, and then you can also click on copy to clipboard and insert like this, and your password is going to be inserted here for you. But make sure you paste your password somewhere safe, because you're going to forget this password, trust me. So just paste it somewhere in a notepad. After that, go ahead and then choose your country. Okay, this is very simple. Choose your country, and then we have three options here to make payment. The first one is Flutterwave, and we have Paystack, and then we have Encrypto. So if you have something like Bitcoin, you can go ahead and then make your payment using one of your digital wallets. So I'll fill my details and get to you on the other side of the screen. Alright, so after you click on complete order, you are taken to an invoice page just like this, and then you have the options to pick any of your payment providers, your favorites, and then the one I'm going to pick is Flutterwave, and beneath you can see a summary of your invoice and everything here. Okay, so I'll just click on here and then choose Flutterwave and then wait. go ahead and enter your card number, click on pay. If you want, you can also pay with Google Pay, and this is my favorite, okay, because I have Google Pay connected to my Gmail. So I'll just click on Google Pay and then click on pay with Google Pay, and it will take me to my Gmail account, and then I'll make payment. Once payment is made, you will be redirected to your hosting dashboard or your client's area. Okay, so this is your client's area. In your case, you have one service here with one domain name. In my case, I don't have a domain name here because my domain name is somewhere, and that's the one I'm using to make my tutorials. This video is not about web hosting and cPanel, but if you want to learn about hosting accounts, how to manage your hosting account and your cPanel, how to create your business email, how to do what we call email forwarding. That way, anytime you receive an email into your business email, it gets forwarded to your Gmail account. I'll have a video in the description or in the card that will be talking to you about everything you need to know about your hosting account. I'll be walking you through everything about your hosting account as well as your cPanel. With that being said, let's go ahead and start building our website. Let's access our cPanel for the first time. So after buying your hosting and your domain name, we're going to see one service and one domain name here. Click on your services. And we'll be taken to a page just like this. Please, right now SSL is not installed. Okay, this account is still a brand new, that's why it has not yet installed. So just ignore it, give it up to 24 hours and SSL certificate will be installed for you. Click on your hosting plan. And to your left hand side, you can see log into cPanel. cPanel is where we control our website files. So just click on log into cPanel and we'll be taken to our cPanel. And that's where we're going to be uploading our website files. Welcome to cPanel. This is where you create your business emails, your forwarders, backups, and upload your website files. Please open your website. So we'll click on, just go back to the top and click on this link, right, to open your site. Right now your website is still blank. Okay, there's nothing inside. So we're going to see some 403 forbidden error. Access to this resource on the server is denied because there's nothing on our server. Okay, and right now there's no SSL certificate. Just ignore it. I'll show you how you can enable SSL certificate for your website. So we're going to access File Manager, and that's where we're going to be uploading our website files. So File Manager means a place for our website files to live. So I click on that File Manager and go to public_html. It is called public because that's where our website files will reside. And anything that is inside public means it can be accessed online. So now inside here I have a folder called new folder and then another text document called sample.txt. We can access this file because it's inside public_html. So I'm going to edit this sample text document. So I'll just click on it once. After we click on it once, click on edit and edit again, and we are in our sample.txt file. So we're going to put some text here. So text here, After that, click on save. Now let's open our site and put /sample.txt. And because this sample.txt is inside our public_html, we should be able to view that document and see our text. So let's wait for it to open. And this is it. This is our document. Text here. And that's what we put inside here. This is a proof that public_html is where our website is going to live. So now, how do we get our website files? If you were to code your site manually, all right, to program your site, you need some programming languages like PHP. You also need something like JavaScript. You need a form of markup, that's HTML. You also need another form of markup or a styling language called CSS. And that's not even all. We also need some form of database connection, okay, to collect users' data. Okay, something like user registration, users uploading their images. Okay, they have to be stored in a place called database. Okay, and their passwords, what have you. So we need database knowledge. So MySQL, like this, right? And these languages take time. Okay, you can't just learn this within 1 year and master it. Even if you are able to learn that within 1 year, you will not be able to build something closer to what I guess demonstrated in the beginning part of this video. That's why developers understood this challenge and they have come out with already existing scripts that you can buy. You just purchase one time and then you continue getting updates from the original developer. All right. So in the description of this video, you're going to see a link that says get script or software here. Click on that link and you'll be taken to a page just like this. This is our script, the one we're going to be purchasing, the one we're going to use to build our site. There's no need going through the features because that's what I guess demonstrated in my demos. Okay, so everything is here. You can scroll and see what they offer. Built-in escrow and dispute system, secure trading system with peer-to-peer chat, simple registration and profile setup process, and referral system, and what have you. They're all here. So if you're convinced, let's purchase the scripts and then I will show you how you can upload it, create your database, and have this up and running on your server. So I'll click on add to cart, make the purchase, and meet you on the other side. To those of you who don't want to make this investment, please put this in your mind. If you were to hire web design agency to build something as complicated as this, what I guess showed you, I can only imagine the amount, how much you'll be paying them to build that entire system. Okay, so you're paying $80 to get a whole website without touching a single line of code, without hiring a web designer or web design agency. So this is a good investment. So let's buy the scripts and then I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, so now that we have our script downloaded, I assume you have purchased your script and you have also downloaded your script. Inside your Codecanion account, you'll be asked, there's a place for download. Go there and download your script. In my case, here is my script, right? The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to extract this script. It's in a zip format. So right click on it and go to extract files. From there, we're going to click on OK and wait for it to get extract it. While we wait for our script to complete extraction, okay, right now we're extracting our script. Let's create what we call the database. So log into your cPanel and type database and click on MySQL databases. Let's give our database a name. So create new database. You click here and we'll give our database a name. So put something like coin and click on create. Our database is successfully created. Click here to go back. Scroll and we're going to create a user. Enter the same coin there. So let's put coin. And let's give our database, our user, a password. So password generate. Copy this password. Paste this password somewhere. Save. Go back. Click here. Click here. And click on create user. Our user is successfully created. Click on go back. Scroll. Add user to database. Just click on add. After that, click on all privileges, scroll down and click on make changes. Okay, so we've successfully assigned privileges to our user. We created a database, created a user, and we have also assigned privileges to that user. Scroll back to the top. Now we will need these details and our password to connect our script for production. All right. Now let's open our file manager. So here, right click. You can also duplicate this window, but let's just right click and open here in a new tab. On top, type file manager and click on file manager. Scroll and locate public_html. Okay, ignore everything and locate this file, public_html. Double click to open it, and this directory is empty in my case. This is where we're going to be uploading our website files. Okay, let's go back to desktop and check our extraction process. Okay, so desktop, this is our folder. Double click on it to open, and it's complete. Open this again and you see these files. We're going to zip it. So right click, click on add to archive and zip. Okay, now that's the file or folder we're going to be uploading to cPanel, and it contains our core files for our site to appear online or for our site to function. Once the process is completed, we'll be uploading this to our cPanel. So go back to your file manager, the page I asked you to open, click on upload, click on select file, click on navigate to wherever you have your script extracted. So desktop, under desktop I have it here, under here open again, and we have it here. Just click on open to extract, sorry, to upload that zipped file, and wait patiently for this file to complete uploading. When the process is complete, you're going to see this green score. Click on here, okay, to go back. So just click on it, and we're going to have this file here. Right click on it and click on extract and extract. Close, and let's delete this file. Okay, delete. Open files, select all. Make sure before that, make sure you enable show hidden files. So just click on settings and enable show hidden files. Save before selecting all. Right, so select all, and make sure .htaccess file is included. After that, click on move and delete the file path and click on move files. Click here to go back one level. Okay, so next up, let's go to our script and go to updates. Inside updates, go to, okay, so wait, before that, let's set up our script before. Okay, so now to install your site, just go open any new tab and type your website domain, your website name, hit enter, and it's going to take you to an installer. All right, that folder is here, so it's going to take you to this installer. Scroll down and click on I agree, next step. Now we're going to enable some requirements. Core, Bootstrap, Cache. We're going to enable, give it 755 permissions. To Core, Bootstrap, Cache, we have Core, navigate to Core, Bootstrap, Cache, click here and give it 775. 775. Okay, so give it 775. 775. Save. Go up one level and storage. We're giving storage 775. Save. Storage. Okay, go inside storage, app, give app 775. Save. Give framework 775. Save and give log 775. Save. After that, go back, check again, and this time requirements check pass. Okay, just click on next step, scroll, and we're going to connect our site to our database. So first off, just copy your password. Remember that database password I asked you to paste it somewhere safe? We're going to copy that and we'll be pasting it here. Database password. Just click and paste your password here. Host, put local host. Now your database name, remember that page I asked you to leave open? We're going to copy that. So our username and our database name are the same. So just copy, come here, and you paste it here and here. Okay, scroll again, and we're going to enter admin credentials. So these are the details you'll be using to log in to your website as an administrator. So we entered that here, and then you give it a password, and this is going to be your admin password. Okay, so I've entered my admin credentials here, and here. These are my details I'll be using to log in to my admin's area. Make sure on top here you add S. Okay, but right now SSL is not enabled on my side, so I'm going to leave it as it is, but make sure you add S here in front. Okay, now if you wait up to 24 hours or 48 hours and SSL is not yet enabled on your site, just contact your web hosting provider, all right, and they will resolve it for you. So scroll and click on what? Install. So we'll click on install and wait patiently. In case you run across this error, problem occurred when importing database, please make sure the database is empty. Unstable network. Okay, internet connection can cause this. But those of you who were able to do it successfully, you are going to see congratulations message and then a button to click to open your site. So just click on that button. But those of you who have this error, don't worry, everything is successful. Just ignore it and open your site. And our site is here already. You can test your admin area by putting /admin. And this is our admin's area. You'll be asked to enter your username and password to log in. So ignore that error, but make sure you delete this install folder. So go up one level, up again, and this folder, we're going to delete it. So delete, and you can skip trash and confirm. Next, go back to your script, okay, and navigate to updates. Double click on updates, go to 2.0, open files, and you're going to see these updates. You see these updates? Okay, so we need that updates file or folder. Okay, so there are some folders inside. Make sure you zip it. Just right click on it to zip it. Okay, now here I have it like this. So we're going to upload this to here. So click on upload file, navigate to that updates folder 2.0 files, and we're going to upload this, but make sure you zip it first before picking it. So click on it once and open. Wait for it to get uploaded. Successfully uploaded. Click on this link. Let's locate that updates file. So updates, extract. Click on close. Reload the page and delete the updates file. Just delete it. Confirm. Okay, so now let's go to database. So just click on here. Okay, go to your cPanel and on top type PHP my admin. Click on PHP my admin. Click on your database. So just click on it. After that, click on import. Click here to choose file. Navigate to your updates file folder if you cannot remember. So you go to your script. Inside your script, we have updates. Inside updates, go to the 2.0. Inside there, we have files. From there, we have updates, which is an SQL file. See here, SQL. Click on open. Scroll down and click on import. Ignore beneath error and just take notice of this above success message. All right, good. So we have updated our website to the latest version 2.0. okay, so now you can go back to your site. Let me guess, log out. Now our final step is to verify or activate our line signs. Okay, you get this from Hood Canyon where you bought the script. So you enter your purchase code. They're going to give you a license key. Enter your Envato username and then your Envato email after you accept, and click on activate now. So enter that and activate my script. All right, so I'll not show that in this video. Just enter those details, click on activate, and your script is activated. Hey guys, this part of the video will now show you how to customize your website. We'll be logging into our admins area or our admins dashboard to do the general configurations for our website. So we're accessing our admins area for the first time. To do so, enter your site name and followed by /admin, just like we have in our address bar, like this. You'll be brought to a page just like this. Please enter your username and your password. After that, click on login. And we are brought to our dashboard, our users, our admins area. Before we get started, there are two themes or templates this website has. So let me open our sites, our domain, and we have this look. If you want to change this look completely, there's another template. So just scroll to manage templates here, click on it and pick this template. Those of you who don't like the basic template, you can pick the elite template. So just click on it, select, and that template will be activated for you. Now if you go back to the site and reload, this site will change in appearance, and as you can see, it has changed completely. Let's accept these cookies. All right, so I guess want to show you where you find that. Those of you who don't want the first appearance can change to the second one, but it doesn't make any difference to your site functionality. So I'll be leaving it as the elite, and then we continue with the tutorial. Having done that, let's now go back to our admins area, and then I'll take you back to our dashboard, because from here we're now going to be setting up everything on our site. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is our general settings. Okay, so to get to your general settings, just scroll. Okay, click here, scroll, and you're going to see general settings. Once the page is fully loaded, we are first of all going to change our site title, because we don't want to have this dummy title there. That's local coin. So we want to change it to our own site name. So something like solo coin. Also enter your site name. Now, how much will you be charging in percentage wise for every completed or successful trade? Enter that here. So I want to enter something like 5% charge for every successful trade. And this is also another way of making money with your site as the site admin. Your time zone, remember to pick your time zone, your site secondary color, and then your base color. After that, just click on submit, and these changes will be updated. From there, let's go to system configurations, and we want to make sure user registration is enabled, force SSL certificate enable, agree to policy, force password, strong password, enable that, KYC verification. We want users to verify upload their ID cards or whatever form of verification method you want to have on your site before accessing or using our site. And it's a cool feature. We have to enable this. Make sure it's enabled. Email verification is enabled. Notification enable. Mobile verification, leave it. And then SMS, leave it. Push notification, I will leave it. And then language option, leave it as enable, and click on submit. Success. Next, let's look at cron jobs. From there, we have our crons set up here, right? So what we want to do is want to go to where file manager, cPanel, and type cron. Click on cron jobs. Scroll again and click here and pick this one. All right, once per 5 minutes. Scroll, and I've already set up my cron jobs here, so let me just delete them and show you from scratch how to set up a cron job. All right, so ignore my crons. Good. So now we're going to enter our cron job. Please copy this command. All right, I'll leave it in the description of this video, so you copy it and paste it here like this. After that, you type your website name. So just go and type your site name. You can also click on dashboard. Let's see, sometimes we'll get a pop-up, right, about cron setup. Okay, so this is a pop-up. Just copy it. All right, copy from here to here. Okay, so some cPanels don't accept cal, some cPanels don't accept this. That's why we're using wget. So just copy from here to here, copy, go back to cPanel and paste that in front of this, and click on add new cron. After that, we have our cron job set up just like this. Okay, so we're done setting up cron job. Now let's wait 5 minutes time. Our cron command will execute. Okay, so just wait 5 minutes time, it will execute. Okay, so from there, let's scroll again. to APIs. Okay, APIs. I'll be talking about APIs later. So for now, just skip it and go to referral settings. From here, we're going to set up a referral levels or referral system. Anytime there's a deposit or referrals, all right, those referring users to our program are going to be upgraded in levels. So we want to have maybe 3 levels. Click on generate. Now inside 3 levels, we want to have commission percentage here. So in level 1, we want to give them 5%, level 2 15%, and level 3 20%. Click on submit. So this is going to be deposit commissions to our referrals. All right, next we have trade commissions. The same thing, we'll put 3, generate, and maybe here can be the same thing, maybe 5, 15, and then 20 or 25. Scroll and click on submit, and now our referral system is up and running. Okay, so just leave it as it is, and then click on logo and favicon, and this way we control our website logo. So if you want, you can click here, select logo, and upload your own logo. Click here, select favicon, which is this little icon you see here. That's favicon. You upload those things there, and then click on submit, and it will replace your website demo logos. Okay, very, very simple. Go to search engine manager, and we're going to upload a banner of 1180 by 600. Okay, so design a banner for your site and then upload that here. You can use Canva to design this banner. Once that is done, just upload it there. Enter your site meta keywords, enter your keywords here. Okay, so something like peer to peer, hit enter. Okay, so all these are keywords. From there, enter your site meta description. So remove this thing, just put your own site name, and then describe your site. Change this to your own. This is very simple, guys. Very, very simple to do. It's not complicated. So we change this and click on submit, but don't forget to upload your banner. So click on submit, and our details have been updated. Now let's go to KYC. That's know your clients. Click on add new. We want to have a verification system where users will be uploading their government documents, something like national ID, passport, or whatever form of verification method you want to implement on your site. You want to give them a form where they can upload those things. So we're going to select file upload and make it a required or compulsory field. Now we enter our field label. So here can be your government ID card. Now file extensions, please, maybe PNG, JPEG, PDF, or whatever. Okay, so these are the extensions they can upload onto your website. We don't want them to upload something like zip file or something that can hurt our server. So that's why we want them to upload these familiar extensions. All right, so we click on what? Add, and we'll add another one, and that way they have alternative. Okay, so this time we want to put maybe driver's license. So just put driver's license, something like this. Extensions, you pick your extensions and then click on add. You can add as many as you want, and then after that, don't forget to click on submit, and your users will have the option to upload their government ID or driver's license, and then use to start using your website. Okay, so next we're going to notification area, scroll a bit and go to email settings. We want to set up what we call SMTP. Without this option, your website will never or will not send out emails, and your users would want to receive email notifications from you whenever they register a new account, change password or reset their passwords, whatever. They have to receive emails into their inbox. So click on SMTP and we're going to enter our host, which is our website name. So let's copy your website URL. So I guess copy my site URL, go back to, okay, which is here. We click and then we paste it there. Let's remove this HTTP thing and then the port. Go back to cPanel and click here and type email. After that, we're going to click on what? Email account. From there, we want to pick the email we want to use for our SMTP. So we'll use this email. So let's copy this email. Now, we are going to set this email what? Password, because I can't remember the password we use, because this password is important in setting up SMTP. So click on connect devices, scroll, and these are the details we need to connect SMTP. Right, mail client manual setup, SMTP is here. We're going to use this as our username, and the password is the password we set up during this email creation. Okay, so we go back here and there's username beneath here. Just click and put your username, which is your email ID, and the password, normally your email password. The port, let's go back and pick our port, which is going to be this one. All right, so we have outgoing. Pick the outgoing one, click on that. That's 465. We pick it and we're going to enter our port here. So enter our port here. After that, we're now going to set up or reset our password, that way we can have it uploaded here. So go back and you can now click here to go back one level. From there, we'll click on manage, scroll, and we're going to enter a new password. So generate password again, but this time make sure you copy it because we need it. So copy, scroll, don't forget to update this email settings. Good job. So we'll now paste that password here, and this is going to be our SMTP password and our username, our host, port, this duplicated port, so port, and then leave it as SSL. After that, just click on submit. Good job. This way your site will start sending emails. Guys, let's make this quick correction. Most of the times when you put your domain here as your host, it might not work. Okay, it's going to give us an error. So to be on the safer side, let's go back to your email ID and go to connect device. I guess switch to a different cPanel. Okay, that's where you're seeing this link there. From there, scroll. Now, when you're setting SMTP, the host, you can use this outgoing or this incoming link. So let's use the outgoing link. Go back and we'll paste it here instead of the our primary domain. After that, just click on submit. And email settings updated successfully. Now let's test our system. So click on send test mail. Enter an email to send or to test. I've entered my email. Click on submit, and we should see a success call out or notice. On top, email sent to Zuna Digitals successfully. So now our site can send emails without problems. All right. One final thing, go to global template, scroll, and we're going to edit this text. We're also going to put our own from email. If not, our customers or our users will see this email in their inbox. So let's enter our own email. Okay, so enter that, and that's what will get created in cPanel like this. Please, let's edit this text. This is a system generated email. You can leave it. Okay, now this logo, you can edit it here and click back. After that, you can upload your own logo by upload your own logo. So click here, click on choose file, upload your logo. After that, for this, just ignore it because this is SMS. But if you want, change it to your site name. After you are done with that, just go to click on submit. Global notification settings updated successfully. Okay. Hey guys, this part of the training is going to show you how you can set up your coins for your B2B website. To begin, go to cryptocurrencies. From there, we're going to add a new currency. We'll be uploading the currency image, something like Bitcoin. From there, we'll enter the name, code, symbol, rate, deposit charges, withdrawal charges, and these are ways you get money as the website owner. So let's use Canva to design this image or logo for our coin. We're going to follow this dimension 256 256. So I'll take you to Canva, click here, go to custom size 256 256, create design. Once the page is fully loaded like this, we're going to duplicate this page. All right, now depending on the number of coins you want to have or cryptocurrencies you want to have on your site, you can also do that by duplicating this to the same number. So let's say I want to have only 4, something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Binance coin, those things. So we'll be uploading. Just go to Google and type BTC logo. Right, logo, download it. Okay, images, and then download them. All right, so I have them downloaded on my PC already. So I'm just going back to Canva to upload. go to upload, click on choose files. Now navigate to wherever you have them downloaded. In my case, I have them inside downloads, so let's click here and we navigate to downloads, which is here. From there, scroll down a bit and they're here, right? So I'll pick this, and that, right? And open. And these images will be uploaded to Canva. So just wait patiently. So right now we are uploading our logos for our coins. Just wait for them to complete successfully. Okay, so we are done uploading our logos. Now let's go back to this page. This is our page 1. Pick BTC. You can increase it like this. Scroll. Bitcoin Cash, like this. Litecoin, like this. And then, okay, let's pick this one, like this. After that, we'll give this page a name, and then we'll click on save and click on download. After landing on this pop-up, just wait for this download to appear, to activate. Okay, now click on download. And it's going to download our 4 images. Click on start download, open folder, and here we have it. So I'll take it to desktop, just paste it there, extract it, extract. Now open it, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start with Bitcoin. Now let's go back to our dashboard. We can now close this window. And let's go to this interface. You can get there by going to cryptocurrencies, and we're first of all going to upload our first image, which is Bitcoin. So click on upload. Now if you are using Opera Mini, it's very simple. Just open it, select all, and press copy them. Okay, Control C, copy. Now go back here and click on upload, and because of the Control C, they're here. Okay, they're in the clipboard. Okay, so I'll pick my Bitcoin, click here and type Bitcoin. The code is BTC. Now the rate, 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to, let's go to Google, BTC to USD. So what we'll do is we'll copy this, copy, go back, and we paste it here. So 1 BTC is equivalent to this value. Now symbol, just put the same BTC there, please. BTC. Charge, enter your fixed charge in BTC. Okay, in BTC. So I assume you want your charge to be like this in BTC. Percentage charge, maybe 1%. Withdrawal fixed charge in BTC, it can also be 0.00. So this will be like your network fee. Okay, don't follow my figures, enter your own values. All right, here I'm only showing you how to do this thing. Now percentage, maybe 1% or 2%. After that, we'll click on submit, and this coin will be created on our platform. Cryptocurrency added successfully. Let's add our next coin, which is maybe Litecoin. So Litecoin. Now one Litecoin to USD is what? Go to Litecoin. One Litecoin to USD is this. So copy it, copy, come here, paste that here like this, and we enter the same code here, LTC. Just put LTC charge. Just put your own charge there in Litecoin. Okay, 0.01 percentage, maybe 2%. So you just repeat the same process. The only difference here is your values, changing of your values, your image, your that's your image, and then you submit. Very, very simple to do. Percentage, maybe the same 2 or 3. Now your image, click on what? Upload, choose files, go to desktop, coin, and because it's Litecoin, we'll pick this one and upload. Scroll and click on submit. Okay, so I will stop here, and then you do that for the rest of your coins. Now when you go to cryptocurrency, you have 2 here, and they're all enabled. The rate is here, everything is here for you. Super simple. Okay, we are done setting our cryptocurrencies. Let's set up our fiat currency. So click on fiat currencies, click on add new, and we're going to enter currency name. So something like Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis symbol. Also put the same Ghana cedis. Now 1 USD to Ghana cedis is right now okay, let's just make it 13. Okay, and click on submit. Let's add another currency. 9 rice in America. 9 Indian girls eat rice in America. That's the full meaning of Nigeria. So Nigerian naira. Nigerian naira. Nigerian naira. They have a symbol. Let's check. Nigerian naira symbol. Okay, so let's copy this symbol. Which is here. Copy. Paste symbol here. Now 1 USD to the naira is what? USD to naira. So we'll just copy that. Remember to update. Okay, so we're going to be setting up some API, and that will be updating these currencies. All right, and then submit. And finally, I was setting up GN. How do you spell rupee? Indian rupees. Like this. Okay, so rupees. Indian rupees. Paste that there. So Indian rupee, that's Indian rupee, like this. Indian rupee. Now, dollar to the rupee is, puts USD to Indian rupee. Scroll, and we're going to pick this value. Copy. And we paste it here. So do that for the rest of your currencies, those currencies you want to have on your website. Okay, so we're done setting up our fiat currencies. Let's now set up our gateway, fiat gateway. Okay, so let's click on add, and we're going to set up an image for this gateway, something like PayPal, bank transfer, mobile money, Skrill. So we want to upload those things here. Let's go to Canva. Welcome to Canva. Click on create new design and click on custom size. Let's go back, and we're going to enter 256256. So 256256, which is here. Go to Google and type PayPal logo. Download this logo. Go back to Canva. Okay, so let's save it before. Momo logo or mobile money. Vodafone Cash. Phone. Vodafone Cash logo. Pick it. Bank transfer. Transfer. Logo. You can pick this one. So just pick the one that you want, you like. All right, I'll pick this one. Save. Save. Now go back to Canva. Let's duplicate these pages. This page. We're uploading our first payment gateway logo. So we go to upload file, and let's pick PayPal. After that, we'll just click on it to have it on our page like this. Scroll, and let's upload our second, which is Vodafone Cash. Click on it, reposition it to your liking. Scroll again, and we're uploading our third one. So you do that for the rest of your payment gateways. Okay, this is a tutorial video. Resize it. Perfect. Now on top, just click and put gateways and download. So click on download. Download. Now that we downloaded our logos, just click on open folder. We'll pick it, send it to desktop, paste, extract, okay, open, and we have them here. Now let's go back to our dashboard. We can now close these pages. Go back to your admins area, click on upload, navigate to desktop, gateway, PayPal. Enter the name, the slot, supported currencies. So just click and pick all the currency that you support. Make sure you add USD as your fiat currency. Okay, just like we did. Just go back and watch that part. So pick our supported currency. So maybe all. And then click on submit. Make sure USD is also part. Okay, so just go back and add USD. After that, click on to submit. So you repeat the same process for your other payment gateways by click on add, upload, choose file, something like Vodafone Cash, put Vodafone Cash, and put the same thing, Vodafone Cash here. Okay, space are not allowed, that's why I remove it. And then here, supported currency, Vodafone Cash. I don't know of Nigeria, but we have it in Ghana, so you pick that. All right, it only supports Ghana cedis. Scroll and you click on submit. So you do that for the rest of your gateways. And once that is done, we're going to payment windows. Another most important aspect of our site is our payment windows. So click on payment windows, add new, and we're going to give our payment window. Now this is the minutes or hours it will take your users to make payouts or to make payment. So click here and say maybe 30 minutes, save. $60, and that's how long it will take them to pay. Something like 120 minutes. All right. Now let's go to API. Scroll and click on API. We are first of all going to create currency layer, and this will set our fiat currency rates for us. It will update our fiat currency rates for us. We also have coin market cap, and this will set cryptocurrency rates. And finally, we have coin payment, and this is going to serve as our escrow system. And this will be generating crypto wallets for our users. So we right click and open it in a new tab. From there, let's navigate to API. We click on API. And click on get your API key now. Scroll and click on get free API key. You'll be taken to a page, a link like this, pro.coinmarketcap.com/sign up. Enter your email, name, password, and then accept your terms and click on create account. After that, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard. Click on copy key. Now go back, and then we're going to paste that key here. So remove this thing and put your key. I'll disable this key. Okay, so don't worry about me exposing my details. From there, we're going to create coin payment account, and then we'll enter our public key, merchant ID, and private key. To do so, go back to Google again and type coin payment. Click on the first link. Welcome to coin payment. To get started, click on sign up. Enter your username, email, confirm your password, and accept your terms. Scroll and click on make sure you accept that you are not a robot, and then click on register. Once your account is registered, log into your dashboard. So I'll take you to the dashboard and show you where to find your key. I'll click on login. From there, I'll enter my username and password. We are brought to a page like this. So now let's navigate to our API. To get there, hover on account and go to API keys. Click on it. Scroll and you should see your API keys here. So we have your public key here and then your private key here. Just copy them, public and private. Come, paste them here, public and private. So remove this, remove everything, and put the private key. Remove your public and put the public. Now it's left with your what? Merchant ID. So go back to get your merchant ID. Back. Click here and click on account setting. Your merchant ID, copy it, and then go back and paste it here. After that, just click on what? Update. Now finally, we're going to create currency layer. So copy or open it in a new tab. Click here to create a free account. Scroll and click on subscribe. Scroll again. Enter your first name, last name, email, password. Enter your card. That's your billing info card. Okay, your payment card. But they are not going to bill you anyways. So enter those details, and then your address, your country. You want to make sure you're a real human being. And then for this information, you can ignore it here, here, and here. Accept that you are not a robot and sign up. After that, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you see API. Okay, API. Copy that API. I don't have an account with them, and I don't want to also enter my card details because I'm not creating this website for myself. Okay, I'm only showing you, so I don't want to sign up on these websites and enter my card information. But you can go ahead and do that. This is a legit site. All right, now go back and paste it here, and it's going to give your site, going to keep updating your site's currency rates. All right, after that, just click on update changes, and we are done. It's now left with our front end customization. Let me show you where you can change this text, everything here. To do so, go back to your dashboard. Go to manage section. We have banner. Now banner is your hero area, this area, okay, which is here. So this is your banner. Scroll, you can change, replace this image, which is here. You can replace it by uploading an image here. Okay, let's talk about your contact form. So let's do that for all of them. Let's talk about your frequently asked questions. So your FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Let's take you to that part. Frequently asked questions. So anything you change inside here will reflect here. Screw. And you can ask your question and answer it. Edit it. Put your question there and answer. Those you don't want, you can delete them here. Your login form. Your policy pages. Click on policy. And you have your privacy and your terms. You can edit them here. Your social icons can be found here. Enter your social URLs, your social links, and go to the footer and see they're here, social links. Okay, so that's your customizer, where to customize your content on your website. Hey guys, you've successfully completed a full training on how to build your own peer-to-peer crypto exchange website. If you want to start your own web hosting business from home, watch this video, which will pop up on your screen, and that will help you start your own web hosting business. Very, very simple. So thank you for watching. Hoping to catch you in that video.